again, my friends. Today I want to make a video about marriage, how to predict marriage, using G.V.Chaudhary's book, Examples. Now, I'm not going through his method yet, because I want to publish a book on the method he shows in his book, because I want to write a book on marriage. But I will show how, with two simple rules, you can predict, we can have the same results in Chaudhary's book. Now, this lady, this example is in page 271, Miss Kulkarni, birth 15 of May 1937, the marriage took place 22 of May 1960, at the year 23 of age, and year. It was 37 plus 23 is 1960. Now the first method, these two methods are from Nadi astrology. One is using Jupiter progression, 1 year every sign. He moves around the zodiac in 12 years, approximately 12 years. Jupiter here is Capricorn, first year, Aquarius second year, Pisces third year, and so on. You can also use for research Jupiter, for example, again, Capricorn, 0 years. The next sign, 1 year, and so on. You can test it if you want. Now, this lady, in the sample, got married at the age of 23. Lagna Lord is Moon. Moon is in Aslesha Nakshatra, in Cancer, own sign. Same aspect on Dhanista, in Capricorn. It shows the age of marriage. Now, in the book he says that first you have to find the ending cycle, negative cycle, to find the other pole and marriage day. I will, as I said, I will write a book on it. So she got married in 1960 at the age and year 23. Now Jupiter is in Capricorn, right? In a female chart, in Nadi astrology, the husband is symbolized by Mars, and in the male chart, the wife is symbolized by Venus. In certain technique of Nadi, these are other technique that Venus, full women horoscope, sometimes they take also Jupiter as husband. Now Jupiter is in Capricorn. He must reach or aspect, touch Mars. Jupiter can aspect Mars by a progression, by conjunction, or by 7 aspect, or by 5th aspect, or 9 aspect. Now Jupiter is in Capricorn. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. In progression, he is conjunction with Mars, husband. So 23 years could be an age marriage. That confirms the sample in G.V.Chaudhary's book. Now there is another technique. The second rule is look at the planet's connection with Lagna, same lord from Lagna, same lord position, same house from same lord. Now the Lagna lord is Moon and the same lord is Saturn. So 7 from Lagna is Capricorn. In Capricorn there is Jupiter, so we write Saturn because he's the lord of the 7th house, so Capricorn sign. Moon because this is Lagna and aspects 7th house. Jupiter in 7th house and Ketu aspects the 7th house. Then from where is Saturn? Saturn is in Pisces, the 7th lord. So we write Pisces plus Venus is in Pisces plus Rahu, 5th aspects Pisces. Then we have 7th house from the 7th lord, Saturn. From Saturn, the 7th house is Virgo. So we write Virgo, the lord is Mercury, Venus aspects Virgo, Ketu, 5th aspects Virgo, and Jupiter with his 9 aspects Virgo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then Lagna, the ascendant position. There is Moon in ascension, Lagna, we write Moon. Jupiter aspects Lagna, and Rahu 9 aspects Lagna. Now here we have to write down how many times these planets are connected. The 7th lord Saturn 1 time, 1, because 7 from Lagna, he is the lord of the 7th house. Only 1 time he appears. The Moon 2 times, 1 and 2, we write 2. Mercury only once, we write 1. Venus, we have Venus 1 and 2, we write 2, and Jupiter 1, 2 and 3 times. It seems that Jupiter is the most strongest, but we always also take Moon and Venus, well, they have 2 points, and we write down which sign they are they rule. The Moon rules Cancer. It shows 25th year because the Nadi progression from Lagna is 1 year. Second round is 13 year. Third round is 25th year. Fourth round is 37th year. So Moon shows her 25th year. We write 25. Venus rules Taurus, shows 23 year. That confirms again Chaudhary sample. Then in Libra shows 28 year. Jupiter rules Sagittarius, shows 18 year, and Pisces 21st year. But we have 23. These are the years that she could get married. That is 18, 21, 23, 25, 28. You can put it in these years. This lady could get married. If you have also other, I know other rules too that it could confirm. For example, Jupiter shows 23rd year, right? 23rd year. Then it shows 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29th year, because aspects 29th year, 39, 31st year. 29, 31 are not here, so it will be the 23rd year. This is the first sample. Now here we have another sample, page 272. Miss Dange, P.K. She was born on 26 November 1935. Her marriage took place 7th of March 1960. Age year 25, so 25th year. Now, here in the book it says that the Lagna Lord is Venus, right? And the day lords were Tuesday and Saturday. Saturday is the opposite day of the of Tuesday, opposite pole. And it says that Venus is in triangle, Saturn is in triangle with Venus. So Saturn is working for Venus. The nakshatra of Venus are Bharani, Purva and Purvashada. Saturn is opposite Purvashada. Saturn in nakshatra Purva Bhadrapada 25. That shows marriage age, according to Chaudhary's book, example. Again, in this case would be, now we apply the rule of Jupiter. The husband is Mars here. Jupiter's first round 13 years, second round 25. He reaches Mars in 26 years. But using Nadi, they say in 26th year, there could be the marriage, approximately. If you count 0 years, it will be first round 12 years, second round 25, 25, 24, 24, 25, 5th year, approximately. It confirms Chaudhary's rule, 25th, 26th year. Now we apply the second rule. The second rule, look at the planet's connection with Lagna, 7th from Lagna, 7th Lord position, 7th house from 7th Lord. Now this rule here, it works 85%, this rule here. This one also, it works 85, and that is, they are both good rules to predict approximately marriage for any man or a lady. Now let's go through the second rule. 7th from Lagna is Aries, Mars, Saturn aspects Aries, 3rd aspect, Venus 7th aspect, in Ketu, and I wrote Ketu, no, Ketu doesn't, sorry. Then from the 7th Lord Mars position, this is in Sagittarius, Jupiter is a ruler, Rahu is in Sagittarius, and Ketu 7th aspect Sagittarius. Then the 7th house from Mars, the 7th Lord. The 7th house is Gemini, so we write Gemini, and the ruler Mercury, no other planets. There is Rahu, also, we write Rahu here, that aspects. Then from Lagna is Libra, so we write Venus is in Lagna, and Ketu 5th aspects on no other planets aspects Libra. Now Venus, we find it 1, 2 times, we write 2. Mars, we find it 1 and 2, we write 2. Jupiter, we find it 1, only once, we write 1. Mercury 1, and Saturn 1. The most stronger planets is Venus, the Lagna Lord, and the 7th Lord. Venus rules Taurus, shows age 20. Libra shows age 25. Mars rules Scorpio shows 26 and Aries 19. And we find another confirmation that one of the possible age of marriage is 25. So you can say you could get married in your 19th, 20th, 25th or 26th year. So this will work again. Now the third case is on page 289. Now I've chosen random cases. So this person Sri Modak Al, birth 27 September 1933, marriage on date 25th of April 1961, the age year 28, running year 28. I did not say before that in Nadi astrology, for the karaka of wife for male, some take Venus and other take Moon. In female chart, some take Mars and others take Jupiter. I forgot to say, I said Jupiter, Mars, I didn't say Moon. So check also the Moon position with Jupiter progression. And as I said before, from Lagna you can choose for Indian system, if a baby has 1 month, he is running in his first year of life. And said in Europe or where I live, if a baby has 1 month, we count 0 years, only 1 month. Depends on the culture. So you can test both of these systems. Now, Jupiter here, now in the sample, Lagna Lord is Saturn. Saturn is in Sravana Nakshatra 22. His declination is on Nakshatra Satabhish 24. 7 aspect on Maga 10. Ketu is there, that is uncounted nakshatra, negative. This is a negative nakshatra. So count Maga up to Maga, Leo up to Leo, and we arrived at, you count Leo 1, 10, such, Aries 19, again Maga 28 year. In the example on page 189. Now, Jupiter is in Virgo. The first round is 13, second round 25. In this case, up to Moon 25, 26 could it be the 26th year. The Venus is 26, 27, 28. Jupiter progress on Sag on the Moon in 28th year. So check also the Moon. It confirms Chaudhary example. The second rule. 7 from Lagna, Aquarius, is Leo. So Leo, so the Sun, that is a ruler, and Ketu is there. Sun position is in Virgo. Virgo of Mercury is there, and Jupiter. 7 from the Sun, that is the 7th Lord, is Pisces. Jupiter is a ruler, and aspects Pisces. Mercury aspects Pisces, and Saturn in the third aspect. Lagna is Aquarius, Saturn is a ruler, Rahu is there, and Ketu aspects. So the Sun, we see the Sun only once, right, one. Jupiter 1 and 2, we write 2. Saturn 1 and 2, we write 2. Mercury 1, we write 2. So Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury are strong. Jupiter rules Sagittarius, that is 23rd year, and Pisces 26. Saturn rules Capricorn 24th year and Aquarius 25th year. Mercury rules Gemini 29th year and Virgo 32 year. As I said, if you count from Lagna 0 years, Mercury shows 28th, 29th year marriage. So for this person you can predict marriage in his 23, 24th year, 25, 26 year, 28, 29th year, 31, 32nd year. It was 28th year. I repeat, I have our rules to be sure which is the year, especially with Chaudhary system, that are not showing in this presentation. Okay, bye next time. See you next time.